Give me your paw for luck, Jim. I've never seen a paw like yours before. Come, let us bark together at the moon in this quiet, soundless weather. Give me your paw for luck, Jim. Give me your paw for luck, Jim. Come, let us bark together at the moon in this quiet, soundless weather. Give me your paw for luck, Jim. Give me your paw for luck, Jim. Please, my dear, don't lick me so. Try to understand at least the simple thing with me. You do not know what life is. You do not know what it means to live in this world. Give me your paw for luck, Jim. Give me your paw for luck, Jim. Try to understand at least the simple thing with me. You do not know what life is. You do not know what it means to live in this world. Your master is kind and famous, and there are always many guests in his house, and each one smiling tries to stroke your velvet fur. In your doggish way, you are devilishly handsome, with such a sweet, trusting charm. And without asking anyone at all, like a drunken friend, you rush in to kiss. My dear Jim, among your guests, there have been so many kinds of people, but she the quietest and the saddest of them all. Has she by chance never come